I've found the best economic calendar in the industry. So although this looks like a normal calendar, we have some massive distinguishers. So if we go over to something like non-farm payrolls next week, and we click on this little brain, we can see how far away this news is. We can see what's in focus. So the Fed is cutting while emphasizing rising employment risks. So we already know the context of NFP within the central bank. We have some bullet points here to keep in mind, like direct input to Fed dual mandate assessment, signals strength or slowdown in labor demand. But what's really cool is the above and below. So what this means is if NFP comes in above 106, we can see large volatility, especially to the upside. So we can see it's a very bearish event if we get higher than 106. And on the other hand, if we get below negative 22, that would be a very bearish catalyst. That would cause large movements to the downside for the US dollar. And then on forecast, we can see this would be ranging. This calendar is directly from institutional data providers. This is exactly what the institutions like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs are looking at. So the way we can use this is if we watch NFP release and it comes out higher than 106, we can essentially just look to buy the dollar because this will be such an overshoot of what was expected. People will be buying the dollar, selling out of their short positions and getting into long positions, and vice versa if it comes in below. So this gives us a range for every data release. And what's really nice is we get these little tabs at the top. So every time you open a new data release, you can keep it here. So you could keep all of the ones for today or this week open at the same time. And if you don't want it, you can just click off it and get rid of it. I've been trading for 8 years and this really is the best calendar I have ever seen. This type of data isn't public. So if you go to Forex Factory or any other publicly retail used calendar, you won't get this type of information.